that possum.
We just left Glenorchy. We're continuing north up to Kinloch because there's another Lord of the Rings location. This is going to be a quicker one. We are going to Isengard. This is the spot where Isengard was located with Saruman's tower. It's just off of a bridge. We just have to park on the side of the road, and then looking up north, we'll see those exact same mountains from all the lookout scenes where you see of Isengard in the two towers. Of course, it might look very different because there's no tower there. The tower was CG, and all of Isengard was CG as well. And I don't think Saruman's hanging out there these days. But we're gonna check it out anyway, because even if you don't like Lord of the Rings, it's still worth seeing just for le paysage, for the scenery.
Well, hopefully we could see anything, because right now it's cloudy and overcast.
Looks like it. I think we're here. I'm just gonna have to go down there. There's a bridge crossing. Gotta walk down there, turn right, and then heading in that direction, you'll recognize that range of mountains. Hopefully we get good visibility so that you'll at least be able to see the shape of it. Okay, where we at? Oh, one day. All right, it's a short walk. As is the case with all the Lord of the Rings locations that we go to, you don't even have to have seen any of these Lord of the Rings movies. You could just go there and just appreciate the locations, because this was pre-scouted by Peter Jackson and his team. So you know that if they pick that spot to be in the movie, it's a wonderfully scenic spot. And it helps too if you really enjoy the film. And this is it, we're approaching it. It's just beyond that bridge.
Oh, there's a waterfall.
Wow. Huh? You have to use your imagination. There was a lot of CG used in these films. Once we round that corner there, you're gonna see. The only way you'll be able to identify it is by the mountains behind it. Okay.
Look how fast that water's moving.
Yeah, we won't be able to cut through there. Let's head on down and see what view we could get. The only way you can really tell is that mountain there, and there's a mountain over there, and the mountain there. That dry section over there, that's where it's freaking cool, where the rocks are. That's where Isengard would have been, with Saruman's tower erect right in the middle. It really sucks that the visibility is really low here, because for you to really see it, you'd kind of have to see the mountains extending beyond, but it kind of clips right there just because of all the fog. But I'm gonna try to climb around this section here to get to the other side. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, I think we got a better view over here. This is where we're being. With this wind blowing, that mountain just disappeared right before our eyes. So I think we should head back. Hi. Made it! How cold is this water?
Very cold.
Looks like glacier. Oh, that's painfully cold.
Okay, I want to... Oh my god, it's glacial. No, bend my fingertips are...
That's cold as water. Let's head back to the car. Beautiful location. Oh.
How did he find it?
No idea.
Amazing.
I have no clue. So we're thinking that the view might be better on the other side of the Dart River. The Dart River is the river that Lake Wakatipu bleeds into. The Lake Wakatipu becomes this river right here. So we're gonna try to cross this bridge here, maybe park on the side of the road, and then walk out on the dry area. We can head further out. Man, that wind. Our turn. I'm hoping it clears up so we can at least see the mountains. Make better sense of that scene.
We got the wind wand. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, I think this might be private land.
Yeah.
Oh, we could probably cut through there maybe. We have a bit of a problem. This is a private land issue. Our only way through there has been fenced off. Completely fenced. Unless...
I'm just gonna walk on the bridge.
What if we walk around and go under the bridge? It looks like there's like a man-made path down there. Isn't blocked off. So I'm gonna say that we can sneak on down. Go under here. Yeah? Okay. There's definitely a beaten path over here. Oh shit. This is a beaten path, so you know that a lot of people have walked this. Oh, there you go. I guess that's a better view. Scary. A clear, less windy day would have been ideal, but you know,
It's the South Island.
It's the South Island
In the spring.
in the spring.
The rainbow's getting bigger.